we have similar applications like this. Like, so what is that uniqueness? What's everything our design as a designer, we are solving problem. Are we getting? So it's either we take an existing product and make it better, existing digital products, whether web applications or websites or mobile application like this. So definitely there's a platform at which people can vent, can get all these things online, mobile and web. So what is your own uniqueness that okay, all those platforms people can abandon it and come and start using this application?
And these are my colleagues.
My name is Lawal Sahid. My name is Shehu Habeeb.
So we worked on a project which is mostly used for digital, like when you want to any order something like mainly digital waves, like maybe you want to get a AirPod, a wristwatch, a digital wristwatch, a charger, mostly digital. That is mostly digital. So the name of the digital product. So the name of the project we worked on, the name that we give it was Zytek, which is simplifying digital life.
Okay.
So
Facts. Okay.
so next page. So these are like a onboarding page, which you can either you want to enter or you can skip here to enter to the main login page. So
Sorry. So go back. Mr. Lawal, can you read this from where you are sitting there? Can you read this?
So this one is the onboarding page, which you can also skip so as to go to the login page. This one is, so this is like you want to get to the main, so I'll click on the get started. So this one is mainly maybe you want to explore the show, like you want to go directly to maybe what you are specific you want to buy from. So that's why we created this page. The product you may like the most. So this is the register page and the sign in page. But let me say you want to create a new account, click on the register page. New account register. So to create an account, you write your name, your email, your password to sign up. And if you have an account, back. If you have an account, you can sign in. If you want to use a Google or your app to sign up, click on the sign up. Like for example, you have click on your details. Go back please. I click on your details, your emails and your password. Then you click on the sign up. So then you can now write your details. Why this name and this Gmail was there? Because maybe you log in with your Gmail, the picture, so you can lead it to they already present that it's your Gmail and your name that is there. They can also still fill in this one to make sure maybe it's correct. So can complete, and this is the main home screen page when you have already signed up or you already start finished. So this one are like maybe when you are reducing percentage on some products. So please you can scroll down like this. So for different types of percentage for different type of headsets that is there.
The uniqueness in this design is that, for example, now most app they only work on a single brand.
Okay.
So, but here we have different kind of brand. Here we have Oraimo, we have Sony, we have Samsung. So and also we provided what blog are saying about it, so that the customers we know that the product is a unique one and it is the one they are talking in town presently.
Okay. So the blog comes from the company, the brand, Sabi?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So people can quickly read about the detail
Yes.
of that product. Okay.
So and
Okay,
also
number
the
one.
categories here. So
The mode of payment.
also the mode of payment.
Okay, let's
So I
see the
think
mode of payment again.
this is where we have the mode of payment. Where is it? It's under the cart. The last place I go. Let me click on this.
Okay.
Add to cart. So here we have mode of payment. We have Apple and PayPal.
Okay.
So instead of yeah, you don't want to use normal Zenith or
Okay. What about if they want to use
Okay, chipping method.
yes normal method that they are known for? You know, there are some people who get a PayPal as a Nigerian. It's difficult. Do you understand?
Yes, yes.
So what the normal payment method that we are used to? Do we have it?
if you want to add the card.
Okay, add the card.
Add card,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
You have
I think
it.
Mr. Lawal want to.
Yes. Another uniqueness in this thing is that some website they have direct payment. Maybe
Okay.
after you make your order, you will receive a confirmation. That confirmation you now send it to the owner of the website. After confirming it, they now ship it to your address. But for this one, we have direct payment there, which is either PayPal or other people or we had our card details, which is automatically you can pay directly. But that one will cause delay by sending your confirmation after they confirm it, they now ship it to your address. But this one, you've done everything at once. Once they receive it in their in the cart or whatsoever, the
Yes.
payment will be effective. It will be less than 2 days. Unlike that one might be 7 days or whatsoever.
For
So
the
I think
deliver.
for delivery. But this one will speed up.
Okay.
It's not that all other activities proceed within 1 to 2 business days. Once your order has been received and she will receive this confirmation from your email.
Tracking information.
No problem. That's very good. Okay, now analyzing our design. So we really tried in terms of the simplicity, as we know that UX is to actually solve to make what is comprehensive simple. You understand? A step that can be taken within 1 minute. So instead of now taking 2 minutes. So, and I can see from your onboarding to the main page and the process as well. So I think you've really tried. And consistency in terms of color usage and alignment and proximity. So, and white spacing. So I can see that you really applied the rules of design. So, but what you need to now do is to come up with a case study. So, which we are, I think that's the next thing to show you now. So, you need to come up with a case study. So, all these things that you've said, you have to document it, because anybody that would want to look at your work, prototype is the last thing they will come and check. So, they will have understood what you are doing in that case study. Do you understand? So, okay, this is an application. So they might not really understand what it's all about. They can easily navigate. Do you understand? But where your uniqueness, where you actually apply your UX, might not be understood directly. So until they check your case study. That, okay, oh, those apps that are out there, the UX is not that friendly. So, and this is the actual problem that you've solved with this design. Do you understand? So for anybody willing to have this app, so they will know that, wow, okay, so this app is good. So they can actually contact you and ask you to help them to get it done. Do you understand? And this is, in fact, that's the power of collaboration. So what did you learn in this collaboration? Like, is there any lesson that you can say you learn collaborating, achieving this work? Is there any lesson?
What I derive from this collaboration is that I gain idea what I have not, which I don't have clue before. But being collaborating together, I have the clue about it and I can apply it.
That's very good. Okay. What about you?
It makes our work faster because we gather ideas together. So then something that we have learned before that maybe we are about to forget about it. So, we hint ourselves about it that, okay, this is how we are going to do it. So, and it makes our work faster and look more unique.
Do you have any?
Yes, as the above said it too, coming together as one enables
Yes.
more easy and faster access to what you are doing.
So that's what we want us to actually learn. Do you understand? So you might, when you get to the field, when you start working as a UI UX designer, so there are some works that your deadline. You might have some other works you want to attend to, but this work, it's deadline. Like you have to meet that deadline. You cannot achieve it until you bring in your colleagues. Do you understand? So with this that you've done, so you should be able to know how to collaborate well.